Hey guys! Here's App Geeker channel. Most iPhone users would set up a passcode to their phone for protecting the data from leaking. However, you might happen to forget the passcode and fail to gain access to the device. If you keep guessing the passcode but enter wrong ones for over 6 times, your iPhone will lock you out with an iPhone Unavailable or security lockout screen. It may be annoying, but luckily there is one only solution to this problem, which is to reset it. With a reset, the frustrating iPhone Unavailable screen can be removed completely. Notice that all the data will be deleted after the reset. If you have a backup before, you can retrieve the data. If not, the data will be gone forever. Well, in the following, we will tell you top 3 ways to reset your iPhone without using iTunes. The first way we will talk about is using Erase iPhone feature. As one of the easiest ways to reset an iPhone, it just needs your several simple taps on the iPhone without using a computer. However, you can't use this method unless your iPhone runs iOS 15.2 or later and connect to network beforehand. And your Apple ID password should be prepared, too. Let's see how this way works. Enter a wrong passcode to your iPhone for several times until it shows the iPhone Unavailable or security lockout screen. You will also get an Erase iPhone option on the bottom right. Tap it. Tap again to confirm the reset. Then sign out by entering the Apple ID password. Tap the same option again and your iPhone will start to erase itself. Give it a while to finish. When it's over, you can start over your iPhone or recover the data from backup if you have one. If you can't use the first method to remove the iPhone Unavailable screen, turn to iPhone Unlocker for help. It's a professional but easy-to-use passcode erasing tool which can reset lock screen passcode, screen time passcode, or Apple ID and password. Check this website to get more information and download it. You can also copy the link directly from the description below. Here we'll show you how to use this tool to reset your iPhone. Launch it on your Mac or PC. Select Wipe Passcode from the menu and hit Start on the next page. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode to make it detected. You can click on here to see how to do specifically. Later, you will be asked to confirm your device information. Click Start when you finish. An iOS software will then begin to download for your iPhone. Once it's done, enter 0000 in the pop-up window and click Unlock. Your iPhone will immediately get into the reset process. Wait for some time, and you will get an iPhone like it's a brand new one. Let's come to the last method, which is using Find My in iCloud. Before you take this approach, make sure your iPhone has turned on Find My iPhone in settings and connected to stable network. Then grab a device that is available to you. A phone, a tablet, or a computer of any brand is okay. Here we will display the steps with a computer. Navigate to iCloud.com in a browser first. Sign in with the Apple ID and password that is used in your Unavailable iPhone. In the menu, hit Find iPhone. Then a map will show where all your devices are located. Hit All Devices at the top. Pick up the device with the iPhone Unavailable screen. You will be presented with 3 options. Select Erase iPhone and click Erase to confirm. Later, your iPhone start the reset, making the iPhone Unavailable screen disappear. After it reboots, you can set up the device from scratch. Well, that's all for today's video. Just try to set a passcode that is memorable to you and start to back up your data from today in case of data loss. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and comment below. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe to us for more latest videos. Thanks.